Good evening, Pranesh, and good evening to my fellow panelists. Let me quote someone. Quote, I dislike any kind of reservation, more particularly in service. I react strongly against anything which leads to inefficiency and second-rate standards. I want my country to be a first-class country in everything. The moment we encourage the second rate, we are lost. If we go in for reservations on a communal and caste basis, we swamp the bright and able people and remain second or third rate. The only real way to help a backward group is to give opportunities of good education. Help should be given on economic consideration and not on caste, unquote. Who said this? Chachaji Jawaharlal Nehru on June 27, 1961. But it is not about exposing the hypocrisy of the Congress. Pranesh, I am afraid out here, if you permit me, I want to expose the hypocrisy that is prevalent not only across this panel tonight, but across the entire country, cutting across party lines. Now my good friend Nikhil Jain says, look, space is a niche area. I don't agree with Mr. Udit Raj when he says that there should be a representation or quota or whatever. First of all, when you say we are not talking of quota, reservation, we're talking of representation, you are being contradictory. Because if you want a representation, then based on merit, representation would come automatically. If the representation has to come, then it can only come through quota. So please understand, don't try and muddle up stuff. But the hypocrisy of Nikhil Jain to consider space science as niche, but not higher judiciary as niche. So when you talk of a moral obligation for a quota or a reservation, why are you excluding judiciary? Why are the judges who want quota in everything, but not in higher judiciary? Why is, for example, when BJP says and agrees, when everyone says that Rahul Gandhi is absolutely wrong when he says reservation or, merit is a flawed concept, the BJP also believes it. Otherwise, why tell me, why does the BJP and the government have reservation in neurosurgery? Why does it have reservation in biochemistry, in computer science? Are those subjects and are those people who are meritorious in those any less than space scientists? So hypocrisy की बात ना करें. सब शीशे के घरों में रह रहे हैं. एक पत्थर आएगा, सारे घर टूट जाएंगे. The point of the matter is that Udit Raj is saying what he is saying because people like us have started believing in Rahul Gandhi that merit is a flawed concept because he is not meritorious. वो जुपिटर से आए हुए हैं, पता नहीं कोटा से आए, रिजर्वेशन से, वो सोचते हैं हर कोई ऐसा आना चाहिए. लेकिन बीजेपी की भी hypocrisy expose करो. Otherwise, tell me, my good friend who's there on the panel, BJP spokesperson, does he believe that neurosurgery is any less of a domain expertise than space science? So when he is against space science having quota, why is he accepting quota in neurosurgery or biochemistry? नहीं, as I said, देखिए एक एक करके सबकी hypocrisy सामने आ रही है. रवि जी ने तो यहाँ तक कह दिया कि जो हमारे जो space scientist जो आज गए हैं शुक्ला जी, वो तो qualified ही नहीं है, skill ही नहीं है उनमें, यहाँ तक कह दिया. और ये कह रहे हैं कि मेरिट का कोई कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है, फ्लॉड कॉन्सेप्ट है. मुझे नहीं लगता इन्होंने आज तक कोई एग्जाम पास किया होगा, वो अलग बात है, पर ये एग्जाम नहीं चाहते, कोई बात नहीं. राहुल गांधी की तरह हर जगह, वो तो मणिशंकर अय्यर ने भी कहा था, राजीव गांधी भी हर जगह से फेल हुए हैं. तो जो पूरी डायनेस्टी की सिचुएशन ऐसी हो, तो ऑब्वियसली मेरिट हैज नो. प्रॉब्लम इज व्हेन वी एक्सपेक्ट समथिंग बेटर फ्रॉम समवन एंड दैट पर्सन डिसअपॉइंट्स. एंड हियर तुहीन इज माय ब्रदर. मैं बता रहा हूं, मेरे भाई से कम नहीं है, लेकिन इनको मैं आज जाने नहीं दूंगा, क्योंकि मैं इनसे पूछना चाहता हूं कि भाई न्यूरो सर्जरी वाला कोई लेस एक्सपर्टीज है क्या, कोई लेस नीश है स्पेस साइंस से? वहां पे आपको कोटा नहीं चाहिए. न्यूरो सर्जरी में, बायोकेमिस्ट्री में क्यों रखा हुआ आपने कोटा? नो, आई एम नॉट कन्विंस्ड बिकॉज ही इज नॉट आंसर्ड द क्वेश्चन. तुहीन वाज आस्क्ड अ सिंपल क्वेश्चन, व्हाई डू यू हैव कोटा इन न्यूरो सर्जरी? भाई, इज इट एनी लेस देन स्पेस साइंस? वो आंसर करना नहीं है बिकॉज ही नोज ही कांट आंसर इट. Because he's kept quota in everything else on his whims and fancies and is not kept in some. That is where the hypocrisy is. And it is insulting to great doctors, great computer sciences, great engineers that they are having quota there, but you say that some areas are so niche that we will not have quota there.
Okay.
That is hypocrisy.
Nikhil Jain is back with his paper. Yeah, Nikhil, what is it this time?
Yeah, no, couple of points. First of all, I take it as very derogatory what Abbas has said about my Dalit community. where he's saying that if I was from a Dalit community, I may not be able to articulate as quote unquote well as I do, which is absolutely shameful comment coming from my good friend Abbas. Number two, for him to say this, it's a typical leftist, it's not Islamist, it's leftist argument that, oh, you are talking from a position of privilege, so you won't be able to understand. Do I need an apple to fall on my head to understand gravity? Can I not be sensitive? Can I not be empathetic and sympathetic to a concern? What about humanity? Going by your logic, unless you are suffering something, you will not be able to understand or be sympathetic to a person who's suffering it. Ye logic hatao aage se. Number two, as my good friend Nikhil Jain came up with this argument as whataboutery, because I quoted Nehru and he took real offense to it and he was embarrassed. He brought out a quote supposedly of Mr. Golwalkar. Now, I don't know whether that quote is by him or not, but I condemn anyone saying that the place of women is in the kitchen. I condemn it. I challenge Nikhil to condemn what Nehru said, that backward castes are second or third rate. मैं condemn कर रहा हूं. अगर तुम्हारी हिम्मत है, without quota, condemn कर लो जवाहरलाल नेहरू को, औकात में आ जाओगे.
Nikhil.